Block Blast game tricks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see different tricks for Block Blast. So in this game, just keep trying to position these blocks at different places in order to see where it fits the best before placing it up actually. So this way you would be able to find better positions for them and get the best results out of it. And always be prepared for the next blocks, because it is quite important that you keep blasting these blocks in order to get better and make space for the next batch of blocks. I can put it over here as well, but in case if 3x3 block comes in the next step, I won't be able to do much. That's why I'm avoiding to place it over there, and that's why I'm again trying to put it over here instead of on the right hand side, in order to save the space for a bigger part. And this way you would keep getting the space, and even if you get stuck, just play the ad, and this way you would be able to revive and get the better options for you. Now we have got better options and we can utilize them. So first of all, make sure that you clear up the middle lines in order to create better space. And when you are in the beginning, just place the blocks wherever it fits better. This way you would be able to break them quite easily, as they try to keep it simple in the beginning. Just go with the flow and keep blasting the blocks. It is quite easy. You can do it. Don't stop no matter what. Try to break from the middle first, as you will be able to create some space. Now we are getting 3 over here, and when we do this we are getting 2, so we would go with the 3 option. And now to move on, and this way the more combos you will get, the better your score will be. These were some tricks for Block Blast. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.